Hello guys, quick YouTube video. I just want to show you guys some stuff I've been doing in my survival world actually. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'm actually gonna start a new survival series on my multiplayer. My friend just killed me. Sorry.
Be more careful with the next one. The kitchen is now the toilet. Okay.
Sorry about that. And I actually just found a temple thing in the jungle actually. I want these rails, so.
So can I see the ring?
Nope. Promise to keep it safe. So I don't leave in my pocket.
Okay, Frodo.
Okay, so let's go and show you guys what I've actually been doing.
Hey, I'm gonna cry at the ceremony. I know it.
Are you just saying all of this? I mean, do you act differently around certain people? Namely me?
Of course not. What? You got shit to around me?
Generally, I'm just me.
So down here, we've got my anvils and
I didn't...
No, you're right. Fuck 'em.
you know, just some wall paintings, beds.
Hey! Harold and Mary? Hi, kids.
My guardian. And then up here, I have my chest room,
I love these guys.
like armor, weapons. This is weird. Mod drops. Nether, wood, more wood. There's a lot of wood. Oh, check this out. Look at how much stuff I have in here. A lot of stuff. 27 diamonds. Redstone. Sand, clay. Random.
And it's like he's been paying more attention to the dog. Can you stop worrying then? Michelle, he's been nothing but nice to me.
Decoration.
He really likes you. Like, I don't know.
Got my nether farm. Nether
I think he likes
something or another farm.
you. Yeah,
Dang it.
I think he likes you.
Hopefully that won't kill me. Here I have, just my regular farm. And then over here I have something pretty cool that I made.
I'm sick of waiting.
I have a mod where if you find spawners, you can transform them,
We just
pick them up, duplicate them, all sorts of stuff with them.
You fed the ring to the dogs, didn't you?
And all I have to do is flip that switch,
Of course not.
then they fall into the water.
All day. I'm a dog.
Let's get on fly so it doesn't take so long.
By the way, apparently you missed when Cadence kissed me. Slight tongue action too. There's something like this. You're a terrible.
And I have an insane amount of food down here.
Maybe a blowjob 18 grand. No pussy for you, bitch.
Like, look at all the eggs that fall. It's pretty crazy.
Fucking right, doggy. It's about goddamn time. Jackpot. You'll excuse me. I have some shit to attend to.
And over here, just a little chicken farm. Chicken egg, I guess. I'm sorry about background noise, my TV's on. This is my friend Tyler's house. Ooh, yeah. It's pretty cool, I guess.
Yeah, maybe you can call them. Steve, come over here.
I like it. It's pretty cool. I have a lot more stuff, but I think I'm going to start a new survival with me and a few other friends. And if you guys want my IP, just ask me, and I'll give you the IP. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe, and hopefully you guys watch my survival series.
No, the other one.